Hi everyone, welcome back to Surakshyaan. Let's talk about 0 days. 0 days refers to a vulnerability that exists in a code but the developer is unaware about it. Okay. By 0 days, we basically mean that the developer had 0 days to fix that vulnerability since he had no knowledge of it. For example, let's say I create a banking application and there is a vulnerability that exists in that banking application which allows any attacker to view account balance of any user of that application, and I am unaware about this particular vulnerability, right? So in this case we can say that the attacker exploited a 0 day vulnerability in my application in order to view anyone's account balance. The reason why it will be called a 0 day is because I did not know that it exists in my code and I had 0 days to fix it as a developer.